Hello and welcome to my channel LearnTech Philo. So if you're new here, you can hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Now, in today's video, I just want to share with you reason as to why you should learn coding in 2022. All right. Now, coding. What is coding? Coding is a method of communicating with a computer. Okay, you use a language that a computer understands to give instruction that will in order to perform a specific function. So there are various languages depending on the things you want to do. All right, now you may learn programming to develop softwares, you may learn programming to develop websites, you may learn programming to develop apps or video games. All right, so there are various languages depending on what things you want to do. Right, so some of these languages are JavaScript, Java, Python. You may have Kotlin, you may have C++, C language, and many more languages. All right, so but before you start learning coding, you should know, why should I learn coding? Why should I engage into coding? That's what I want to share with you today. So some of the reasons as to why you should learn coding is it helps in problem solving. All right, so it through writing computer program and doing coding, it helps you to develop appreciation of how things works. All right, now you just need, like, you should think of how software engineers use math to solve logic and any other problem in a creative way. Right, so it helps you to know how to think, and you can solve a certain program or a problem that you're experiencing. So before you write a computer program, you look for a problem, then you decide a computer program that will help in solving the problem. So with that, you develop the skills of problem solving. All right, the other reason, it helps you on how to think. All right, so it helps you to computer program is not just writing lines of code, it helps you to think differently. All right, now a certain person may use this language to write a certain program that will solve a certain program or a problem, then you use a different language to solve the same problem. So you think different from other people. So that's how computer programming helps you. It helps you to think differently. All right, the other reason is to increase creativity. All right, now you develop things by your own. Right, you may develop a website, you may design the website, you may design the website from scratch, and you develop it by yourself. Right, and with that, it develops your creativity. You can design or think of something and be creative on the things that you're developing. All right, now with that, it increases the creativity. The other one is programming is the future. All right, you can see how many businesses and organizations are relying on computer codes. They need to digitize their process of production, their ways or their services, the system that will help in increasing their productivity. So with that, they need people who are experienced or know how to write computer program. So with that, you see that programming is the future. You see, okay. The other one is the lack of skills in the software industry. You see, now many software industries have named experienced programmers who can write program according to or to current situation in their organization. All right, so as we grow, things are changing dynamically. All right, so you just need a experienced programmer who can solve the program according to how things are changing. All right, now the other reason is to learn programming is fun, is to have fun with math. All right, so coding is just a language of math. It involves several analysis and logical arrangement and organizing of data. All right, with that, when you learn programming, it involves so many calculations, and with that you develop fun, and you have fun in math. So if you are learning coding, you'll basically know how to solve math, and you'll have some skills on how to solve math and anything that involves calculation. All right, the other reason as to why you should learn coding is learning while having fun. So like myself, severally since I engaged into coding, it has been fun. I find it so fun to write computer coding or computer codes, lines of code. Every day I wake up, every morning I just want to write a certain program, so it's just a fun. I find it so fun to learn coding. All right, so those are several reasons as to why you should learn coding. So before you start that, you can check on the description part and you'll see a link that where you can find various languages you need to learn before you start or in your coding journey. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you.